guys, I'm so excited to hang out with you today. We've got tons of new fall items at the Dollar Tree, those little things to add just a few touches to your home. If you're anything like me, you've already got a ton of fall decor. We're not gonna be wasteful, we're going to be insightful with the things that we're finding with some super easy DIYs. Come on. And how do I know 70% of you don't know this? Because I asked you, so we're gonna make this so easy, anyone can do it. I can see like new items down there. Hold on, let me get my cart. For a sophisticated look, pick one bold color, one neutral color, and an accent color and run with it. You saw lots of these DIYs in my last video. They have tons of these beautiful blues that actually come with pumpkins and larger pumpkins. Take an existing arrangement you already have at home. You'll be surprised how much you can do with very little money spent. My colors this year are a cool blue with accents of pink and a nice neutral beige. Whatever you buy in store, I want you to double it. You think you need 3 sprigs? I want you to buy 6. It's gonna give it that nice, lush look. Also, don't forget to pick up these scented brooms. They have a pumpkin spice this year. Stick it in your arrangement. You won't regret this. I spent less than $20 and it looks like I spent way more. And check out Pottery Barn's website. Shop higher end stores for inspiration. These bunches are $59. Here's a side-by-side of a $79 bunch with the Dollar Tree version. Combine that with stone spray paint and a Dollar Tree vase. Check out this incredible look.
Pepper, hold on. He gets so mad when I spray paint. It's okay.
I really love the Rust-Oleum stone spray paint. Your house will look like a catalog on a budget. Why come to the garden section? You don't want to miss this trick. I love these climbing trellises. You can buy a couple of these and attach these to your door frame. Hang tight, because this before and after is crazy. I bought 3 packs of these, and you get 2 in a pack, and I zip tied them together in a line. And then I took some greenery. Now you can get this from Hobby Lobby about 40% off for around $7 or $8 for a length. You can also find it at Walmart. I zip tied 3 of these onto the trellis I was creating, but it still looked a little bare. Look at what the Dollar Tree is carrying this year. These gorgeous pumpkins, again, all in that same color scheme that I'm going with, my blues, neutrals with accents of pink. You can also go to Hobby Lobby, and if you wait for the 40% off sales, it's about the same price as Dollar Tree if you were to break it down for the number of leaves that you're getting. So that's exactly what I did here, and I stuck this into the trellis. I made 2 of these in about 20 minutes with copious amounts of zip ties. Then I went outside and I nailed this into the top. You could also use command hooks. I left some room at the bottom for poor Copper. That spray paint really traumatized him, and look how amazing this looks. You can do this really affordably, and your porch will be the wow of the neighborhood. I can't wait to do the same thing for Christmas, so you be sure to subscribe.
What are you doing?
I have a DIY plan. This part of the video is an ode to my husband, who wants me to use the stuff I already have, and I fully advocate for that. Take a styrofoam pumpkin from your stash and want to dig it out. Be sure to do it carefully. You can add a quick coat of spray paint in those colors that you've chosen. I added a Dollar Tree vase that I had and a little tea light candle. This looks so beautiful and is one of those easy DIYs you can't mess up. Also, the Dollar Tree LED candles, I highly recommend them. Look how simple this DIY is, but also elegant too. I bet I know you. The last thing you need is another pillow in your house. Am I right, Charlie? I'm going to show you how to make a pillow using a blanket in your color scheme you already have, and it looks like a pumpkin. Check this out. Lay your blanket out flat and roll up one side to the center and do the same to the other side. Then you want to fold your blanket in half and tie it in a simple knot, more or less so the knot is in the middle. With the 2 ends, you're going to tuck them into the top. See how I'm going to take that top end and tuck it right into the top center, and then do the same with the other side. Doesn't this look like an adorable little pumpkin? The Dollar Tree Plus section this year for fall is absolutely incredible, especially all of the Halloween stuff. They have tons of signs that are just $5 a piece. This is a screaming deal, no pun intended. They also have tons of candles. These actually look like they're bleeding when you melt them. They have so many things that you could not even DIY at that $3 to $5 price point. If you're wondering where are the Dollar Tree Pluses, I'm going to put a link down below. Dollar Tree's website will now tell you exactly where they are so you can find the best store. This is happening at all my Dollar Trees. Somebody is hiding a baby in these random places, and it's creepy. Oh my gosh. Should we check and see if this works? The boys love tie-dye. This would be really, really fun for Halloween. And who better to assess this than the tie-dye king himself, Carson? We used purple and mixed a little bit of yellow and red to create the orange, and we only spent $3. The shirt is from Goodwill. He rated this a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars based on all of his tie-dye experience. My kids just love it, including Owen, and all of the little items he likes to find from Dollar Tree. All right, this doesn't always happen. They have a ton of hard candy stuff, especially like for Halloween time. Look at this. This eyeshadow palette is $1.25, and then this mixes in with your foundation to give you like that nice dewy look. There is a new product, come here. These containers are just $3 each. These work really well underneath of beds, but my favorite spot to use them is actually in a cube shelf. You can have your pants and all your kids' stuff like a file system, so it's really easy to see, and these are quality containers. Carson's closet is ready for back to school. I have a few tweaks, so be sure to subscribe. The organizing section and all of the new colors, these I love. These are great in bathrooms. They're also great in laundry rooms if you remember some of those projects. And who remembers one of the first organizing videos I ever did on Doitonadime used these containers. They're really great because they stack up. At our old house, do you guys remember that kitchen? We used to keep these in our cabinets. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I can't wait to see you soon. You guys know I sometimes get the giggles in here. See, this is where the babies come from. This is where the babies come from.
Yeah, look
What?
at baby.
Baby? Oh my gosh. Stop.